In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename threads in Perplexity AI. If you've ever come back to an old conversation and wish the title made more sense, this will help you keep everything organized and easy to find. First, open the Perplexity website in your preferred browser. Give the page a moment to load so all the navigation options appear. If you use Perplexity often, consider bookmarking the site so you can get back to your work quickly next time. Once you're on the site, look for the History option. Depending on your screen size, you'll typically find it in the sidebar or along the navigation panel. Click History to open the list of your previous threads. This page shows your past conversations, usually with a default title automatically generated from the content. Renaming these is a simple way to make them clearer at a glance. Next, find the specific thread you want to rename. Move your cursor over that thread and look for the three dots, often called the More Options menu, on the right side of the thread entry. If you don't see the three dots immediately, hover over the thread title or the edge of the entry. They usually appear when you mouse over the item. Click the three dots to open the menu, then choose Rename Thread. This brings up a field where you can edit the title. Take a moment to think about a clear, practical name. Good titles typically include the main topic, a key detail, or the goal of the conversation. For example, Travel Itinerary Ideas for Spring, or Draft Email Outline for Product Launch. Keeping titles short but descriptive will make your history much easier to scan later. If you work with multiple similar topics, consider adding a brief tag like a date or version to tell them apart. After you've typed your new title, click Save to confirm the change. If you navigate away without saving, your edits won't apply, so make sure to press Save before closing the dialog. Once saved, you should immediately see the updated title reflected in your history list, which confirms everything worked. That's all there is to it. Open the Perplexity website, go to History, use the three-dot menu on the thread you want, select Rename Thread, edit the title, and click Save. Repeat this for any other conversations you'd like to organize. With clear, consistent titles, you'll spend less time hunting for the right thread and more time getting things done.